We're back once again, and we're gonna hop right into it with the screen share. And we're sharing. Back to Discord fun. Yay! So much fun. All right, we're gonna go into our little fireball in the sky symbol, the cogwheel, the flower petal, and let's see what would be useful. Family center. Well, I guess if you have a teen, I don't. But if you did, this is where you would go. And I'll let you guys figure out your own privacy settings there. Billing, you all could figure out. Chat, that's useful. So when posted as links to chat, it's going to display images, videos, and LOL cats, because cats are so LOL. If you want the little preview of what the link actually is, you would leave this on. If you don't, you would toggle this off. Um, And yeah, same for just static images. I have mine on. Are used to describe images for screen readers. I don't use a screen reader, but if you do, you might want to consider turning this on. Same for embeds and previews to websites. I have mine on. Same for the good old emojis, emoticons. Yeah, I have mine on. Allow stickers to appear in your autocomplete results. I leave it off. I don't care for stickers too much. And if you don't know what that is, it's just kind of like an emoji, but a little bit more animated and different. Preview emoji mentions a markdown syntax as you type. Yeah, I like that. And split view on threads. Useful. I hate threads personally, but I have it on for when that happens. So when somebody posts something in a spoiler-free mode, when you click on it, it will then spoil it for you. Yay. And got other options here. Notifications, I think we went over the other day. Keybinds. This is useful. Don't think you can change them. Nope, you cannot. So, basically, if you've been using computers for any period of time, there's a lot of keyboard shortcuts you could use. Same applies for Discord in the Discord interface if you bother to download it. From video number one, you should have downloaded it. So all of these apply to you. And I'll just scroll through them briefly, maybe mention a couple cool ones. Drag and drop. Well, there's no keyboard shortcut for that. I don't even know why this is here, but yeah. Anyway, move up and down, space bar. Why do they have ones that have no keybinds? That's amusing to me. Like they took the time to develop this. Anyway, mark down as server red, inbox pop out, emoji picker, control E. Bet that's the one you all remember. Or the GIF picker, control G. And this is useful if you're into the voice, chat, and video. It's got some mute and deafen, auto answer, decline, miscellaneous, get help, and search. Yeah, that's good. That's in language. Well, I don't know what would change if I change this. I'm not going to because I'm an English, a US English, which is different than the UK English. I don't know if it just auto train. Well, okay. Let's see what it does. If I say Espanol, okay, it changes it for this. Is it going to auto translate the text? Let's see. Well, hold on. I got to remember where I am. This is where I am when I come back to change. Starts with an I. No, doesn't auto translate everything because that would be really cool if it did. I might play around with that more. So let's go back to US English. Yay, we're safe again. Windows setting. Well, is there anything else in language? No. Windows settings. Yeah, I have mine turned on when computer starts up, it auto boots up Discord. If you don't like that, you could turn it off. Or you could start it minimized and minimizing the tray. And let's see. Share mode we don't care about. What's in advance? I don't know if these are the defaults, but these are the ones I use. Privacy settings you can figure out. Register gains we don't need. Game overlay we don't need. All this other stuff we don't need. Yay. So, in your system tray, I have mine pinned to my taskbar, but you could right click, you can unpin from your taskbar, or pin if you like to have it pinned to your taskbar. And you can go to your systems tray and find the Discord icon. If you ever need to close it, you just right click and say quit Discord, and it'll just close it. Your system tray may be located in a different position. This is where mine is with my little up and down caret symbol. So I think that's going to do it for this particular video. Um, yeah, stopping the share, and I hope you all have a wonderful weekend.